What up guys, I'm going to share with you a social media application that I just discovered called the Hifami. And on this application you can meet people, you guys are going to chat, you're going to play games, you can stream, do a whole lot of stuff together in this application. It's just like your normal social media application, but this time around you are going to be getting rewarded for every activity you are doing on this application. And I'm not talking about just any rewards. These are not rewards that are just going to be in the application. These are actually rewards that can be redeemed and withdrawn into your own personal wallet, and I'll be showing you how to do all that in this video. But guys, first of all, I want you to understand that this video has nothing to do with a financial advice. This is strictly an educational video just to show you how to make use of this application to your own advantage. And you need to understand that this application is not a get rich quick scheme. All right, you need to take your time to explore the application, go through it to understand it very well in order for you to earn with it. All right, it's not going to make you rich, but it's definitely going to add some few bucks to your wallet. All right, so if you're interested, you have to pay attention to this video because I'll be showing you everything you need to know and how to get started. Stick to this video to the end. So to get started, you need to click the link in the description of this video, or it's going to be in the comment section of this video. It's going to be pinned up there. So you click on it to bring you to Play Store. If you're on iOS, it will take you to your App Store. Then you just click on install. That's where you need to install this application quickly. Let's install and I'll show you how to get started. Once download and installation is complete, you need to open the application. Then it will bring you to this interface. All right, so this is a welcome page. So over here you can log in either with your Google account or use Facebook or use TikTok. As for me, I'll just go with Google account. Okay, I'm going to use Google to log in quickly. All right, so I'm just going to select my email quickly. So I'm going to agree to this because I'm using it here. All right, that's the only way I can have access to the account, so you have to do that. All right, very good. So now you are going to set your location, you are going to set your profile in general. I'm going to set, okay, this is where I am, this is my location. Then you put your name, you can write your name what you want. Mine is Urban Time, you know, so I'm going to leave that there. I'm going to select male, you can select female if you are. Then your date of birth, you have to also put your date of birth right here. You'll see my invitation code right here. All right, so if you use my link anyway, you will see my invitation code. But if you did not and you are looking for an invitation code, then you can copy this code blinking on the screen right now. I'm still going to leave it in the description. Use it and you'll get our invitation code right here. Then you click on complete, then you are good to go. All right, let me quickly do that. All right, so here we are into the application right now, right here. Now you can see these are the things, this one that is showing you, these are the important things you need to know as the basic of this application. First of all, so this is what you use to upgrade your account level, which is very important. All right, so and how do you get this packet to upgrade your account level is by harvesting this crop on the farm. You can see where you can see claim gold and 0.1 cents. Okay, so you click it. If you click that bar, guys, it's going to harvest this for you, and the more you harvest this gold bar, the more you get packets to upgrade your account level. All right, now you see these dice where they are showing you these dice. You need to play this dice game every day in order for you to get more gold bar. With this dice game, you get a lot of gold bar that you can use to keep upgrading your account, because the most important thing is to upgrade your account. The more you upgrade your account, the more you will be able to earn higher amount from this platform. All right, that's just how the game works. So let's click on it quickly. Let me click on it quickly. All right, so once you click on it, it definitely bring you into a room. Now rooms are where you meet a lot of people in rooms. All right, just exited the room. Now and I want to explain again before I go back to the room. Now you can always, once you click on this dice to play game, it will definitely take you to a room. That's where you'll be able to play the game. All right, because you'll see meet people also playing games right there. Now before we'll play a game, because I'll show you how to play the game. Now let me quickly take this, harvest this also on time. Now the more you harvest is the more you get access to level up your account. And remember, leveling up your account is the only way you can also increase your earnings on this account. All right, so keep harvesting regularly and keep leveling up. Now to harvest, you have to always check this countdown. All right, this countdown right here, this countdown, it has to be, once it elapses, you can easily harvest. And the more you increase your level, the time, the duration for the countdown also increases. So these are the things you have to pay attention to regularly. All right, so now quickly, now there are some daily tasks you need to also do every single day. Now click here and you see these tasks here. See where it is written daily tasks. Close this, click it, and it will take you to where you can see some tasks that you need to complete every single day. Well, I don't know, I'm just getting invites on chats. All right, now here are the tasks you need to be doing every single day. You need to complete these tasks every day because you are going to be getting gold, you will get coins, and you also get dice when you complete these tasks. Guys, you have to check this section every day to see tasks that are available and milestones that you can hit so that you can accumulate some of these stuffs on the application. All right, so you can check under daily, you can check under earn, you can check under family. Now guys, remember, you need to be in a family in order for you to benefit a lot of stuff on this platform. All right, you need to join a family and you'll be able to use their room, you'll be able to participate in so many teams, there are games and so many things you can do in the family. All right, so you have to check under every section here to know which milestone you should be hitting in order for you to earn some more. All right, so right here, if you want to join family, you can quickly click here and join family, or you can just check your home page. You will see family on the bottom right of the screen. All right, you just go down there, click, you see a lot of family. You can go through all the family you find here and just go and join the ones you feel comfortable with. You know, just join anyone anywhere, but make sure you are joining a very active family where you can chat with people, you guys will play games, you guys communicate, they stream, and also sit on the seat where you can sit there for a while and talk. You know, all those things add to your points. You need to be active in order for you to increase your points and account balance on this platform. All right, so there are a lot of families here, check them, and each family also have their tax. You can see over here, this one, there's member tax and family party. So always check under tax of each family that you are into and see if there's available tax, available a milestone that you need to hit in order for you to accumulate from it. All right, it's very important, guys. Now quickly, let me just show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to enter one of the family I'm in right now. Now I'm inside this room right here. This is what I'm talking about. You see where there are plus sign, you click on it and you'll be able to sit there and stream and talk with other members. And if the room is too noisy for you, click on the top right corner of this screen, you will see some menu there. Click on this button here, then you'll be able to remove the room sound so that it's going to reduce the noise, because every room that is very active, there's always too much noise in them. All right, so now if you want to play games in the room, you need to click on the dice. You can see there's a dice here. You click on it and it's going to open a mini page for you where you can actually start playing a Monopoly game. All right, so you can see this is a Hifami Monopoly. You can see it right here. So to play this game, you have to use this go button. You click on it and a dice will be rolled for you. Then you are going to see the movement on the screen yourself. Once I click on it, now you'll see the movement. All right, so I'm going to click here on the go and you will see that this cursor, you can see my profile is moving, and I just won a gift right here. So these are the reasons why you need to play game, because there are lots of benefits by playing the game, which is going to help you also increase your account. All right, these are just extra games in it that you can use to also earn extra gold bar. Guys, these are things you need to do on your own. Do it regularly and you increase your earnings on this platform, guys. Now you can see my account is already requesting for a level up again, and I'm going to do that right here. Now one thing I want you guys to also pay attention to is why playing game is, you can see where it is written task right here. Make sure you always click it in order for you to see the tax that is left for you, because these tax available are tax that are going to help you to also increase the dice that you are using to play. You can see these are some tax I've done. I'm going to claim this. If I claim the first one, 15 dice will be added to the dice I already have. You can see. So I have to be able to claim all these to be able to reach all this milestone, and I'll be able to claim all these dice, extra dice, and have extra dice to play the game again, guys. It's as simple as that, guys. All right, so I just left the room right now. All right, so once you're out of the room, let's quickly make withdrawal. Let me show you the first withdrawal, which is very important. You know how to do. Click on the withdraw button here. You see it's already blinking. Click on it. All right, so guys, once you get here over here, you can see one time only per device. So guys, you need to do this one time withdrawal in order for you to activate your account. So you can see now we can withdraw only 0.1 first. All right, now to withdraw this amount is to first click on withdraw button down here. It will be converted to 200 diamonds for you. Now let's do that quickly. Click on withdraw. All right, so congratulations. All right, so you see it here. I'm going to click on withdraw now. Yes, click on it. Now you can see my balance has reduced. Okay, you can see here we are the diamonds. We have 200 diamonds, which is equivalent to 10 cents already. All right, so and we can only withdraw this 10 cents right now. So it's all good. Just click on withdraw one more time here. Click on it, meaning the 200 diamond will be converted to the 10 cent for us. All right, so over here all you have to do is you need to USDC to withdraw. Now there are some countries, it depends on where you are. There are some countries you can actually withdraw directly into your bank account, but where I am, I'm using crypto. I'm not going to use bank account. But for countries like Nigeria, I think you can use your bank account and withdraw these funds directly into it. All right, but here I'm going to use USDC. I'm using USDC right here, and all you have to do is to go ahead and copy my USDC wallet address. Now remember guys, it is Ethereum network right here. We have Ethereum network right here. So I'm just going to go to my wallet. I'll use maybe Trust Wallet. I'll use Trust Wallet right now. I'm going to copy my Trust Wallet USDC wallet address. All right, and bring it, paste it here, and make this withdrawal quickly. Let's go back and do that. All right, so here we are in my Trust Wallet. I'm just going to click on receive button right here and look for USDC. All right, this is it. This is USDC. I'm going to copy it, copy the wallet address, and head back to the platform. All right, here we are. I'm going to first of all claim this what is this? All right, okay, let's withdraw. Click on withdraw one more time. Click there, and it's going to take you to where diamonds are. All right, so once you get here, all you need to do is click on this diamond up here. All right, click on the diamond. All right, to bring us here. Okay, good. Then we click on withdraw one more time here. So I'm just going to paste the wallet address here, paste it here. Good. Then yes, that's the amount, and you have to agree to these terms. Good. Then you click on what's it called, click on confirm here. Click on confirm. Yes, please, blah blah blah, confirm this. Yes, I just confirm it, and expect this to land in my wallet anytime soon. So you can see it says processing right here. So I'm just going to wait a few minutes because I know it doesn't take time. Few minutes, then I'll get this in my wallet, and I'll show you guys in my wallet before this video gets over. All right, now quickly check real record. I'm just going to close this, all right, and go back to the game. Okay, gonna claim this again. Now guys, remember what I told you. All you need to do is to come in here regularly. If you want to be active on this game, this is where you're actually gonna be meeting people, you chat with people, you play games together, you do a whole lot of stuff, join rooms, join families, and you guys are good to go. You gift each other and so on. Guys, I'll be bringing you guys more updates on this project, on this platform, and if you want to follow up in everything I'll be showing you guys, you should be in my Telegram channel. The link's in the description of this video, and you should also subscribe to this channel so that you can always get updates and latest information about this platform in case you are interested. All right guys, make sure you are coming in often to harvest your crop. It's very important. You can harvest your crop right here. Now quickly let me go to message where I can see my playmates. A lot of people there where you can chat with. These are people that have already sent me invitation just now that I sign up an account. All right, a lot of invitations from here. All right, I can click and accept and play with them and talk and so on. So that's just how it is anyway on this platform. Now you can see where there are notifications and all these things. Click them so you can find out whatever is there. I'm also trying to navigate around this application to understand it very well. All right, so I know I've been using it for like a few days and I already have an idea of what is going on here. That's why I decided to share with you guys. All right, so if you're interested, the links in the description, go ahead, click and be part of it. And before we go quickly, I would like us to check our wallet to be sure we've gotten this 0.10 cents in our wallet. All right, so here we are in my wallet. I just got the USDC. You can see it right here. Let me click on it. I just got the USDC in my wallet right here, and I think they took 50% of it, which was the gas fee. So this 50% is not like that's what they'll be taking for all your withdrawal, no. But for I think for the transaction, 0.05 cent was taken as a transfer fee, I guess, and I got 0.05 cents in my wallet as USDC right here. So guys, that's how you can make your withdrawal with this application. All right, that's how you earn with this application, how you can take maximum advantage of it. So if you like what I showed you in this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If this is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new one. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.